Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make chili lime turkey meatballs. Cue the music. Alright, thanks a lot for watching. If this is your first time joining us though, please do me a big favor. Go down to the corner there and hit that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, well you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make chili lime turkey meatballs. So that's what we're going to do. But let's see what we got for our ingredients first. We're going to start out with a pound of extra lean ground turkey, 2 tablespoons of sriracha hot sauce, 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of some fresh chopped parsley, 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and I've got about 1/2 teaspoon of some salt that we're going to use to bring out the flavors in this dish. We also have a dipping sauce that goes with this, and here's the ingredients for that. We've got 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of non-fat Greek yogurt, 1/2 teaspoon of sriracha sauce, a 1/2 tablespoon of some fresh lime juice, and about 1/4 teaspoon of some salt to bring out the flavor in that as well. Not a whole lot of prep on this today. All we got to do is mix up that turkey with all the ingredients and then throw it in the oven. I do have the oven preheated to 350 degrees, and once those go in the oven, we'll make the dipping sauce and everything will come together. Let's start cooking. Alright, we've got our mise en place for everything we need. I did do a little bit of prep like mincing the garlic and chopping the parsley. Everything else has been measured out, and we have our turkey right here. So I'm going to go ahead and start adding the ingredients to our turkey, starting with the salt, the parsley, the garlic, and the oil. Let's do our breadcrumbs in there. The lime juice, the sriracha, and last, the Parmesan cheese. Now, I've got gloved hands. I am just going to mix this up until everything is well incorporated, and then we'll start making our meatballs. Okay, got our turkey all mixed. I've got our pan right here, sheet tray. I'm going to just use, I'm going to hit it with a little food release in there so everything doesn't stick. And then we're just going to take and make our meatballs. Now you can make them as big or as little as you want. I'm going to go about this size here. You can use a cookie, what do you call it? You can use a scoop you use for like cookies if you want to get even size on each one. I've been doing this for quite a while, so I think I can get pretty close. But I'm just going to go ahead and finish up these meatballs, and we'll see where we're going to go from there. All right, we got 10 meatballs right here. A little bit off on a little bit of them with the size. But you can do them smaller to get more meatballs, do them larger to have, you know, less. But we're just doing this to show you how to do the process and make this, and to see what they look like when they're all done. So with that, we're going to throw these in the preheated oven for 350 degrees for about 20 minutes and see where we're at from there. Meanwhile, we're going to make that sauce. All right, we've got our yogurt right into the bowl, mayonnaise right into the bowl, salt into the bowl, lime juice into the bowl, and our sriracha. Get that in there. Go ahead and whip this all up. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. Alright, they're the meatballs, all cooked. I went to the biggest ones and double checked for the temp-wise, 165 internally with a STEM thermometer. Always go to the largest ones because they take longer to cook. But we are ready. I'm going to let these rest while I'm setting up the plate that we're going to take some photographs of and lay into the timeline with some groovy music. Then we're going to come back and we're going to taste this. So enjoy the music, enjoy the pictures. nice. I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these and I'm gonna cut it in half. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a bite of it with the sauce. First, I'm gonna do it without the sauce so we can see what it's like. Good flavor. You can taste the heat in there and the lime. The texture is very nice without the addition of egg in it like you do with a ground beef meatball. But I think the oil did a good job of combining all the ingredients together and getting them to congeal. You can taste that Parmesan in there as well. So now I'm going to hit the sauce on there, right there. Perfect balanced flavor. You got the heat, and both of them have a little bit of heat. Creaminess of that sauce really helps to bring out more of the flavor from the meatball. And kind of, if you're a texture kind of person, it kind of removes that whole meatball-y texture from the meatball and giving it a little bit of a creamy texture on it as well. These will make a nice little snack, a little appetizer for your family and friends. I recommend them. They're very good. I think our cat does too. Hey, I appreciate you watching today. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to check out that description box on your way out. Not only does it contain the recipe for this show, but it also has a bunch of groovy links. I have a gourmet seasoning shop on Etsy and also have a cookbook on sale. Those links are down there. Don't forget to check out the playlists I've got down there for how to create a cooking show on YouTube, and also a playlist link for how to improve your channel and help it grow. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and then make sure you share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.